Are you interested in Japanese onsen? Have you felt a little intimidated to try because you don't know the rule? Then this video will be perfect for you. Onsen has so many health benefits. There is no way you don't take advantage of what onsen can offer you. And for those who are shy, this is your lifesaver, a rectangle towel. The must-dos before dipping in the onsen. Let's wash your body at the washing booth before dipping in an onsen. And if you wear swimsuit, Japanese aunties and uncles will have a heart attack. If the rectangle towel doesn't work for you, maybe onsen is not for you. I hope the onsen will give you a memorable experience and feel the health benefit next day.